Welcome students to week 1 of Issues in Biotechnology. We will focus on the biotechnology issues of genetically modifying or genetically engineering plants like golden rice. You may be interested in other plant GMOs such as insect-resistant Bt corn, which is grown abundantly in California, and maybe some animal GMOs. Did you know that the first genetically engineered animal was glowfish that is sold as pets? GMOs have several uses. Gene therapy uses GMO viruses to actually infect host cells, carry DNA, and alleviate such diseases as cystic fibrosis, muscular dystrophy, sickle cell anemia, and more recently, HIV and cancer. GMO animals like the Enviro pig of Canada produce up to 70% less phosphorus in their waste. Some GMO animals are actually used for the production of insulin. These are highly controversial issues. Do you know why? In this week's individual case study assignment, golden rice is a genetically modified rice with beta-carotene for the synthesis of vitamin A. A lack of vitamin A is one of the most common nutritional deficiencies in developing countries. Golden rice was designed to benefit developing countries by producing a source of food that would alleviate their vitamin A deficiency, or VAD. What happens if you are VAD? There are many health problems associated with VAD. Blindness, immune system problems, and growth and development is slowed. How does golden rice help with vitamin A? Genes from a plant high in beta-carotene, which rice has none, are transferred into the rice DNA. Golden rice is yellow in color and contains beta-carotene. When beta-carotene is present, the human digestion system is able to synthesize it into vitamin A. Why are developing nations slow to adopt this technology? When first made, it was hailed as a solution to world malnutrition. 10 years later, is still not showing much promise. What are the drawbacks? Are there any detrimental issues? One of the main concerns for all genetically modified foods and plants is the loss of genetic diversity in a crop when you have a monoculture. If pests or temperature stresses occur and the crop is wiped out, all crop is destroyed if there is no genetic variability. You will be choosing pro or con sides of the issue, writing your own position paper, and conducting a mini debate with one other classmate in this week's forum. The second case study for week 1 discussion is 2 peas in a pod. This was an actual event. The two Joneses fraternal twins have very little resemblance to each other. They are from an in vitro or test tube fertilization, and you will experience some of the problems associated with reproductive technologies. You will look at their DNA gel electrophoresis fingerprinting and unravel the mystery. Post your findings in this week's discussion and respond to 2 other classmates following the discussion rubric. Some other issues may come up in your investigation and are open for discussion, such as the rights to medical information, the implications of human error, and racism.